in Florida are still in recovery mode from hurricanes over the summer.
And of course, the Twins are down in Fort Myers for spring training. They're doing some charity work while they're in town. Here's Fox 9 Sports Director Jim Rich.
We all watched in horror when Hurricane Ian came ashore here in Southwest Florida. The structural damage is mind-blowing, but underneath the surface of that was damage done to children here in Lee County. And that's where the Twins today stepped up to the plate.
It's probably the favorite thing about my job is to see the impact that the Twins and our brand and our work can have on a community, how it can help somebody's life. We don't think about it that way. We often define our success in wins and losses, and so often it's that's part of it, but it's not all of it. And this today is a representation of that work off the field that can make a difference.
Twins players, staff, and even President Dave St. Peter pitched in to help the United Way sort new shoes and clothing for the children in the Lee County schools. It's just one of the steps the Twins have taken to support the communities affected by the hurricane. And for the Twins third base coach Tommy Watkins, who is from here and has earned the nickname of the mayor of Fort Myers, this truly hits home.
It was tough to see all the devastation done when the hurricane hit. I know I couldn't get a hold of my parents after the game was over, and it's just tough, man. A lot of people were dealing with a lot of stuff.
Even new star pitcher Pablo Lopez, who hasn't even thrown a pitch for the Twins organization, was there to pitch in today.
Sometimes we don't realize how such little details can make someone else happy. You don't know what some people, a lot of people are fighting their own wars. Some people are going through their own struggles. So any action, any selfless action, any selfless kind of act of joy, can bring a smile to someone. And if I'm able to bring a smile to someone, it's going to put a smile on me, and it's a good feeling.
With the Twins in Fort Myers, Jim Rich, Fox 9 Sports.